students, welcome to your chemistry classmate. In today's session, we shall learn some important expected objective models based on molarity and normality. So look at the first question. Concentrated H2SO4 has a density of 1.8 gram per milliliter and contains 49% acid by weight. Molarity and the number of gram equivalents of H2SO4 contained in 1 liter solution respectively are. So I hope you understood the question. They are discussing about the concentrated H2SO4 in that to 49% acid by weight. So molarity asked. So whenever the density given, you have to use this formula. Molarity or concentration equal to 10 dx by m. This is the formula. So d nothing but density or specific gravity, x nothing but how much percentage by weight, and m nothing but it's a molecular weight. You can take otherwise molecular weight. So equal 10 into d nothing but here how much given 1.8 into x nothing but how much percentage given 49% divided by what is the molecular weight of sulfuric acid 98. Though you simplify, you will get 9m. So this is the molarity of given content. Now here they are asking the number of gram equivalents. Suppose if they are asking the same question normality, in this formula instead of molecular weight you can take equivalent weight. That means n equal to 10 dx by equivalent weight E. Is it clear? Equivalent weight nothing but what we are supposed to take, number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents equal to n into V. So just like see n equal to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight of the substance, number of moles. Similarly, number of gram equivalents equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. So that is why number of gram equivalents equal to what will get here 18 into what will get here 1. Why 18 only? Because molarity you got 9. So what is the normality of the solution? One relation, molarity normality equal to molarity into n factor. N factor nothing but here 2 hydrogen ions. That is why here normality equal to 18 into 1. That is why you will get 18. So 18 gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents equal to 18. Then what is the final answer? 9 comma 18. 9 comma 18. Is it clear? So very simple model. You have to remember this formula, and instead of molarity they are giving the normality. So 10 dx by E nothing but equivalent weight. So equivalent weight concept already last video also we discussed it. Once you go through that I will inform in the description also. So look at the next question. 1.25 grams of dibasic acid completely neutralized by 25 ml of 0.25 molal barium. Here it's either 0.25 molal barium hydroxide solution. The molecular mass of the acid is. So it is very simple question. 0.25 molal barium hydroxide. That means generally in the case of dilute solutions molality same. That is why what we can take 0.25 molar nothing but 0.25 molar. That means 0.25 m barium hydroxide only can take barium hydroxide. So here what they ask finally, the molecular mass of the otherwise molecular weight of the acid is. So if you want to identify the molecular weight of the acid, they doesn't give any information about the acid. Just they informed 1.25 grams of dibasic acid. So they are giving the information about base 25 milliliters of 0.25 molar barium hydroxide. That means number of equivalents of base equal to number of equivalents of acid. So as per that, here what is the normality of this base? Normality of the base equal to 2 into 0.25. That is equal to 0.5 n. Why it is 0.2 into 0.25? Because in one barium hydroxide 2 hydroxyl ions are there, and it is 0.25 molar. So normality equal to molarity into n factor, again same formula. So 2 into 0.25 then 0.5 n. The same normality is equal to the corresponding acid. then only it is neutralized. So that is what will get normality. Generally, formula normality equal to weight of the substance by gram equivalent weight of the substance into 1000 by V in milliliters. This is the formula. Is it okay? So just now we got n value, what it is, 0.5 equal to weight of the substance given already. How much it is? 1.25. So 1.25 by equivalent weight we don't know into 1000 by V nothing but 25 ml solution. 25 ml solution. So if you simplify, finally you'll get 200. Just to simplify this value, you'll get 200. Is it clear? So from the base we can get the acid value, then substitute in the normality formula. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. An aqueous solution of glucose is 10% in strength. So glucose solution is there, 10% strength. Means glucose concentration they given indirectly 10%. The volume in which 1 gram mole of it is dissolved will be the volume. So 1 gram mole of this substance dissolved in how many liter they asked. Is it clear? Aqueous solution, glucose solution is there, its strength is 10%. So volume in 1 gram in which 1 gram mole of it is dissolved. So 1 gram mole in how many volumes of the solution is dissolved they asked. Now observe here, it is also very simple. Uh, M equal to N by V. This is the basic formula. Concentration equal to number of moles per liter volume of the solution. So here indirectly what they asked, volume they asked. So 180 grams per 1 mole by 10% solution nothing but 10 by 100. So if you simplify, what will get here, 1800 ml. 1800 ml nothing but 1.8 liters. 1.8 liters. Is it clear? So very simple and direct substitution. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. A 500 grams toothpaste sample has 0.2 grams fluoride. So 0.2 grams of fluoride of F in terms of pp. So 0.2 grams of fluoride concentration. What is the concentration of F in terms of ppm? So parts per million you are supposed to identify. So it is very simple and direct substitution. Parts per million nothing but instead of percentage you can take parts per million. So what is that? Fluoride how much given? 0.2 grams. What is the total weight of the toothpaste? 500 grams. Percentage nothing but you can multiply with 100, but it is ppm they ask. That means 10 power 6 multiply. Then what will get, if you simplify, you'll get 400. So 400 ppm. Direct substitution. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. A 5 ml of 1N HCl, 20 ml of N by 2 H2SO4, 30 ml of N by 3 HNO3 are mixed together and the volume made to 1 liter. The normality of the resultant solution is. So resultant solution type are very important. So whatever it is the resultant solution, this is the formula, basic formula, N1V1 plus N2V2 plus N3V3 plus and so on, whatever it is you can take, equal to N resultant and volume resultant. Finally, how many mixtures, how many components are in that is not the matter. This is the basic formula. So normality, so first one is HCl, second one is H2SO4, third one is HNO3. So irrespective of acid you can take the resultant also, because all are acids only. So volume into normality nothing but first one working at here 1 into 5 plus second one 20 into n by 2 nothing but 1 by 2 plus third one 30 into n by 3 nothing but 1 by 3 equal to n we don't know. Resultant how much? V volume how much? 1000, because the reason is it is made to 1 liter. So that is why 5 plus 10 equal to n into 100, 1000. Then what happened? N equal to 25 by 1000. 25 by 1000 nothing but what will get here? 1 by 40. 1 by 40. That means n by 40. Is it clear? Do you understood the process? So based on this model, many questions are there, but for every numerical, so the formula is the same. Just you go through the question and resulting normalities, resulting molarities, if they given, this is only the formula. And if they are asking in terms of molarity, the same formula, but normality equal to n factor into molarity. This is the basic relation between normality versus molarity. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. So the normality of 2.3 m H2SO4. Just now I said to you. Very simple question it is. Normality equal to molarity into n factor. Here n factor nothing but number of hydrogen ions. How many hydrogen ions will get here? 2H plus SO4 minus 2. That is why here 2 into 2.3. What will get here? 4.6. So 4.6 is normality and 2.3 is molarity. Look at the next question. How many grams of dibasic acid, molecular weight 200, should be present in 1000 ml of its aqueous solution to give decinormal strength? That means normality given, molecular weight given, volume given. How many grams of dibasic acid? So they said indirectly dibasic acid. So weight they asked. Is it okay? Weight they asked. Then what we should identify here? Same formula, normality equal to weight of the substance by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight nothing but gram molecular weight by if it is, this is discussed about the acid, that is why dibasic acid, that is why we can take gram molecular weight by 2 into 1000 by V in milliliters. Now here what are the terms given? Normality given, decinormal 0.1. Weight we don't know. Gram molecular weight already given 200 by 2 because dibasic acid into 1000 by volume given 100, that is why divided by 100. Then if you simplify, weight equal to will get exactly 1 gram. So our answer is A. Is it clear? Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. After equal volumes of 0.1 m solution of NH4 taken twice SO4 and BaOH taken twice have been mixed, which of the following species is present in greatest concentration in the solution? See there, they are mixing with NH4 taken twice SO4 mixing with barium hydroxide. So generally, what is the product will formed? These two will be mixed. That means barium sulfate remaining NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. See there, barium sulfate, barium plus 2 and SO4 minus 2 vigorously they react and they will form the precipitate. Remaining left out in the form of solution. That means which will be left out in generally presentation of the concentration is more NH4OH. It is coming from liquid ammonia. That means aqueous ammonia. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. Increasing the temperature of an aqueous solution will causes decrease in molality, decrease in molarity, decrease in mole fraction, decrease in weight, percentage of weight by weight. So generally temperature affecting, if temperature increases automatically volume increases. If volume increases automatically concentration decreases because m equal to n by v. Is it okay? So concentration decreases nothing but which is affecting? Molarity is affecting. Molality not affecting because mass does not affect the, because molality we can express in terms of mass. So mass do not vary with the temperature. Is it clear? Right. So look at the next question. The concentration of an aqueous solution of 0.01 m CH3OH solution is very nearly equal to which of the following? So 0.01 m means molarity of CH3OH solution. So in the previous question also we got in one place molarity and molality nearly same for the dilute solutions. That is why what we will get here 0.01 m. Is it clear? So these are the few basic models only. So in this somewhat complicated models we will discuss in the next video lecture. So till that do follow carefully, and so our NEET examination and JEE mains all are postponed. So you got the plenty of the time. So utilize the properly. Stay home with safely and stay within. Stay within creates your mental power. So do carefully utilize the time. So definitely my lectures are helpful to you. So whatever you want, please share in the form of comments. Share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you.